Queen Nandi and the Rev season finale, the final episode, and they lived happily ever after. And not in a perfect way, but things got better. Things got better. That's my hope. Financially, things got better. In parenting, things got better between one and with relationships abanazo in-laws, things got better holistically in their lives. The final episode was beautiful, beginning to end. Siyakhumbula ke mos last week bebezamela into yobana babe ne-service yenkonzo in their home. Sizowutsho kaloku according to the show, it's their home. Please ungazi ne-complications lana. Masihambe ngokwescript mabetnani. So they had the service. Yonke into yahlangana. It was beautiful. People came in numbers. I think friends zabo were there to support, and then also abantu that they had invited. Ubone ke mos uNandi bekhupha flyers the last time. So I do think that Umrev is finally open to the idea of planting inkonzo yakhe. You know, he's finally open to mhlawumbi uvala i-chapter benayo nalaa nkonzo ebeqashwe kuyo and starting his own thing. He does seem like ngumuntu oyithandayo into yokushumayela kakhulu. You know, like he is a bold preacher. So I think it's all that he's ever known, and he truly loves it. And I really hope that it works out for him, that he can use the experience anayo as umfundisi. Yeah, if that's what he's called for, to plant inkonzo or to use it in it's broad in the ministry. You don't have to be on the pulpit. You can train abantu because there are many people who do not know into yobana iBhayibhile ingantoni kanye kanye. So you can be a person who ofundisa abantu, not necessarily you don't have a church, but you do hold can be sessions where you teach people how to read incwadi zeBhayibhile and how it all comes together and how to make sense of it, who wrote it, why it was written, how does it apply to abantu in the here and now. Yabona la? So mhlawumbi if he's not open to into church planting, he can seek other means of using the experience le anayo as umfundisi. Yeah, and monetize it, but use it. And yazi into yakhe ye-bereavement ntontoni iphelele phi, because even that would have boomed, I feel. Yabo. But I hope it works out for him, whether they're going to be planting a church okanye uzosebenzisa experience yakhe in other means and ways, you know. And then siyambona ke uhlangana nechomi yakhe uJama, saying that, you know, they've been through a lot, Nandi. I think they've been together for 15 years, going on 16. And he just wants to show her that, listen, the funny bygones, busy bygones. I know that I've wronged you, but I want us to start on a clean slate. So we celebrate our anniversary yabo, the 16th year anniversary. 16 years Ujama Shem seems like a very supportive friend. I have questions, but asizongena kwezo zinto financially, how did it all come together? But I think ngumuntu that Umrev, though he seems younger than Umrev, I don't know, but ngumuntu that Umrev thinks highly of. He values the opinion ka Jama. And then they pull it together, guys. It was such a beautiful thing. Yeah, they work together well in pulling off this surprise anniversary celebration without uNandi. Abazali bukaNandi bebekhona. ne-friend ke kaNandi kutheni ndimlibala ngoku ebekhona naye, but they pulled it together, though Nandi ke ngathi ngumntu ongasithandiyo i-surprise. But she's like, listen, andisurpriswa mna ndim osurprisayo. But I think she was pleasantly surprised. Ilokhwe sana ibingathi ayithembisi, but after all, everything came together so well. It was beautiful, I must be honest. They've been through a lot, you can see. They have a beautiful family. I've always said that. Bahle abantwana babo, and I really do hope that they can do better. They can live better as a family, thrive from here onwards. And I just hope that, into yokuba kwi-reality TV is not an easy thing, it comes with a lot of scrutiny that even after the show, there's a lot of scrutiny, but I hope that they can just do better as a family and thrive, man, and thrive despite everything, all the challenges that they've been through, that uthando lwabo can conquer all. Yeah, so I do wish them the best. We've been through a lot with them as the viewers and the consumers of their show. It was not looking good. Hey, guys. And bacha, Central as a family bacha. And so it was like, you are asana, ibk yena toxic. It was just too much for us. And. But the last episode was beautiful, and I do wish them the best. But you know what? Let me be honest with you. Sometimes I wish that people can just do one season, even if the show was good and it got us talking and glued to the screens and like it stirred many emotions within us. I-drama reality TV show tends to, like, it seems to me that it spills over to your personal life and that your life is never the same again. The drama is always just part and parcel of your life. So sometimes I just wish about one season and then they go and they fix their lives and they truly do live happily ever after, because the drama of being in the shows, it never ends, darlings. Look at the Braxton family values. Guys, I love that family. But, drama yabo ayipheli, and I do think opening their lives to a show, it made it worse. So, Rev Nonandi, need to think twice. Ngoba niba yi-drama even off the camera. All in all the best to Mlombi family. Until next time, toodle.